This is a heating blanket. Oh my goodness, and it's a big one. This would probably fit over this king size bed. It's pretty large. And I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. I love this. It's got the Sherpa on this side is like a faux wool. But oh my gosh, it is so cozy. It's not real wool, but it's like the softest, like, oh my gosh, it feels like a soft little toy. And then this side, it feels like a soft plushie. It is like, oh my gosh, this is so comfortable. So it's got several, I don't know why they sent me 2 in the box. I think they made a mistake because I don't think 2 are supposed to come with it, but this is the control. It's got really long cords here. So this cord goes quite a long way so you can reach to your bed. And this other cord is kind of way over there. So you've got some pretty long cords happening here, which is good. And then you can set it, and then you can set the level of heat that you want. And then you can also set a preheat as well on here. So again, oh my gosh, it feels so cozy and it's so warm. And you can feel the coils in there, you know, like, but you have to kind of press in to find them. So you're not gonna feel them at night, you know, it's not gonna bother you or anything like that. It's very comfortable. So again, thank you so much.